Learn how to build your own marketing system that brings in leads and sales on autopilot in just 4 weeks without having to hire an expensive marketing agency. This course and live training is for small business owners like coaches, consultants, and service providers, solo entrepreneurs who handle all the aspects of their business and need a streamlined system to automate marketing and client acquisition, brick and mortar business owners who need an easy to follow system for attracting and managing clients, and business owners who are overwhelmed with running daily operations and looking for an automated way to bring in clients consistently. In this 4-week marketing course and live training, you'll learn how to create an automated marketing engine that brings in clients on autopilot. This includes profitable Facebook and Instagram ads, a website and funnel that turns visitors into leads, automated text and email follow-up, and irresistible offers that turn leads into sales on autopilot. When you join, you'll get 4 weeks of expert training, on-demand step-by-step training videos, plus Monday through Friday we meet for a 1-hour live training on Zoom. You'll get proven templates for funnels, emails, and ads, and 24/7 tech support from our team and community. I'm Jonathan Acuna, and I'll be your teacher. Each year, I help over 100 business owners scale their business to 6 figures and beyond using this same system. Don't miss this opportunity to take control of your marketing and save tens of thousands of dollars on agency fees. To get started, book a free call to see the marketing system in action that over 100 business owners are using in their business to scale to 6 figures and beyond. Use the calendar link below to book a free Zoom call to see the demo. I'm excited to help you build a system that makes 2025 your most profitable year yet.